What are you doing, little girl? You get the hiccups again? You get the hiccups. What are you doing, baby girl? What are you doing? What a face. You make silly faces. You know this is going on YouTube. Why are you making such silly faces? What are you doing, baby girl? Well, stick your tongue out then. That's fine. Just stick your tongue out for the world to see. Ah! I heard that. That wasn't your mouth that made that noise. You look like you're in a strain. Yeah, the whole world's gonna think different of you now when they see this. Little poopy butt. You're awful cute though. You got anything safe before I turn this off? You want everybody to see your little fingernails? You're trying to show them off. She's holding them up, trying to show her fingernails off. What's she doing, baby?
Because they're so cute.
What are you doing, girl? She's getting fidgety. She's swatting flies again. That's enough of you. Everybody's done looking at you for the day.